11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping. Sabi niyo, ang layo ba? Hindi. Kung may ladies dancing, merong lords leaping, sino nagpapatugtog sa kanila? Di may 11. Sino tong 11 pipers a piping? The faithful 11. Di ba namatay si Judas eh? So sabi ng mga Catholic English, huwag niyong kalimutan, to be a disciple and apostle of Jesus, you need to be faithful. And you must go to the same tune of Jesus in the gospel. And ano yun? Even suffer for the sake of the good news. Wow! Ang ganda siguro ng Pasko if we are also part of the faithful disciple.